Hello guys, today I will show you how to set draft order in Yahoo Fantasy Football. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to your Yahoo Fantasy Football page, then click on the commissioner icon at the top of this screen. So when you click on this text that says commissioner, it will take you to your league settings. Here you'll have to choose draft and keepers from these options. Now you will see a list of options, so you'll have to just scroll down and click on finalize team list. Now, when you click on finalize team list, it is going to take you to this page where you can easily click on the finalize teams button just right here. You need to have minimum of 4 teams joined and the even number of teams joined. Now, after doing this, you can click on the finalize teams button. Now your teams will be logged, but don't worry, you can always unlock your teams and edit it again. Now, after doing this, you'll have to click on the commissioner button at the top of the tools again. Click on draft and keepers again. Scroll down at the bottom of this page and click on the option that says edit draft order and assign keeper players. So when you click on this option, it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to choose the draft pick order, whether you want random order, that is a snaking, it is a standard. You can set order for 30 minutes before draft and you can randomize the order. Now you can also choose the option that says custom order and keeper league players. So we'll choose custom order and keeper league players in order to set the draft order. Now you can easily edit this order, just pick one and take it down or take it up. After editing the order, you can just click on continue and then you can assign the keepers if you want. So you can easily assign keepers on through this page and then you would have successfully set the draft order on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So that is the simple way through which you can set draft order in Yahoo Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.